welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with chapter number 1 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is sentences, phrases and clauses. So in this chapter हम लोग बात करेंगे about the sentences, the phrases as well as the clauses, right? So let us see what they are telling. First of all, we have the definition of sentence. Let's read it. So they say a group of words or a combination of words arranged in a way make complete sense is called a sentence. तो एक ऐसा ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स या फिर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वर्ड्स जो कि अरेंज किया जाता है इस तरीके से ताकि वो एक कंप्लीट सेंस बना सके उसे कहा जाता है एक सेंटेंस, राइट? नाउ वी हैव सम पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर. लेट अस सी. इन अ सेंटेंस वर्ड्स मस्ट बी इन अ प्रॉपर ऑर्डर. कि एक सेंटेंस में जो वर्ड्स हैं वो हमेशा एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में अरेंज होने चाहिए. द फर्स्ट वर्ड मस्ट बिगिन विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. कि पहला वर्ड जो है वो हमेशा एक कैपिटल लेटर के साथ ही स्टार्ट किया जाना. अ फुल स्टॉप, अ क्वेश्चन मार्क और एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क is used towards the end of a sentence depending upon the type of sentence. एक full stop, एक question mark और एक exclamation mark यूज किया जाता है सेंटेंस के एंड पे, और वो डिपेंड करता है कि वो किस टाइप का सेंटेंस है, राइट? आफ्टर दैट again we have a box. Remember, let's see then what they are telling us. Unlike a sentence, phrase does not have a finite. कि सेंटेंस की ही तरह फ्रेज के पास एक्चुअली एक फाइनाइट वर्ब नहीं होता है, राइट? अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट मेक्स अ कंप्लीट सेंस, दैट मेक्स सम सेंस बट नॉट कंप्लीट सेंस इज कॉल्ड अ फ्रेज. तो ऐसा ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स जो कि एक्चुअली कुछ सेंस तो बनाता हो बट is actually not making a complete sense. At the end, its sense gets incomplete. तो उस पार्ट ऑफ ग्रुप्स, उस पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस को कहा जाता है एक फ्रेज, राइट? So here we have some things to remember. Let's see. Unlike the sentence, phrase does not have a finite verb. कि सेंटेंस की तरह फ्रेज के पास एक फाइनाइट वर्ब नहीं होता है. Phrase neither has a subject nor a predicate. एक phrase में ना तो कोई subject होता है और ना ही कोई predicate होता है. Right? Now, look, let us have a look on the sentences given below. तो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ sentences दिए हुए हैं, जल्दी से इन्हें पढ़ते हैं. Everyone loves to watch movies. The book was on the table. There is a bird in the nest. I love listening to the music. We went by the train, right? So the colored words in the above sentences represent phrase. तो यहाँ पर जितने भी colored words है sentences में ये सभी phrases है, right? Moving ahead, a group of words which forms parts of a larger sentence and contains a subject as well as a predicate is called a clause. तो एक ऐसा ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स जो कि एक सेंटेंस का लार्जर पार्ट हो और उसमें एक सब्जेक्ट हो और एक प्रेडिकेट भी हो, ये कहा जाता है एक क्लॉज, राइट? क्लॉजेस कैन बी डिपेंडेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट. जो क्लॉजेस हैं वो एक्चुअली डिपेंडेंट या फिर इंडिपेंडेंट हो सकते हैं. इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज गिव्स कंप्लीट मीनिंग बट डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कैन नॉट स्टैंड अलोन. एक इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज जो है उसके पास अपना खुद का मीनिंग होता है, राइट? वो हमें कंप्लीट मीनिंग निकाल करके दे सकता है. बट एक डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज जो है उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता, इसीलिए हम उसे अकेले नहीं लिख सकते. right? So let us have a look on the sentences given below. अब नीचे कुछ sentences दिए हुए हैं. Let us have a look on them. The dog was sleeping when I got home. तो यहाँ पर जो ये colored words हैं, they are actually the dependent, right? After that, he is hungry. This is itself an independent clause. Child is playing since you were out. तो यहाँ पर ये जो since you were out है, ये actually एक dependent clause है, right? Because it cannot stand alone. Next, we have I will buy a cycle until I have saved some money. Again, in this sentence, the colored words are actually the dependent, right? After that, she helped me. Mean this is an independent clause, right? Because it is making complete sense without the help of any other sentence or clause, right? Hence, sentences are independent clauses. Okay? हम sentences को independent clauses भी कह सकते हैं. So, by the word clause, we would mean a dependent. Clause की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो हम usually एक dependent clause की बात कर रहे हो, right? After that, here we have, now let us study the difference between a phrase, clause and a sentence. जल्दी से पढ़ते हैं difference एक phrase, clause और sentence की. So let us see. Phrase, clause and a sentence. What are the differences? Phrase is a group of words, clause is a group of words, and a sentence is also a group of words. Now, phrase contains no finite. as कोई भी finite verb नहीं है. Clause has a subject and a predicate. Clause के पास एक subject और एक predicate होता है. Then a sentence has a subject and a predicate. के पास भी एक subject और एक predicate होता है. Next, phrase has no definite meaning. So that a clause has a meaning of its own. Then a sentence expresses a complete thought. After that, a phrase gives partial meaning. Clause is the part of a sentence, and a sentence completes sentence, right? After that, we have some points to remember. Let's see. A finite verb is one that stands alone in a sentence. Finite verb ऐसा verb है जो कि अपने आप एक sentence में खड़ा हो सकता है, right? Next, here we have the kinds of phrases. So let's discuss about the kinds of phrases now. There are three kinds of phrases: noun phrase, adjective phrase, and an adverb phrase. तीन तरीके के phrases होते हैं यहाँ पर. कौन कौन से? The first one is the noun phrase. So let's discuss about that first. Noun phrases are those phrases which are used as nouns, that is, subject or object to the verb. These phrases will always contain a noun. ये जो noun phrases हैं, ये वो phrases हैं जो use किए जाते हैं as nouns, that is, the subject, जो कि subject या फिर object हो सकता है verb के लिए. और ये phrases हमेशा अपने साथ एक noun को रखते हैं, right? Let us have a look on the sentences given below. यहाँ पर हमें examples दिए हुए हैं. Let us see. She bought a beautiful doll. The yellow house is for sale. He gave the crying child a toy. I want a skateboard. Has anyone seen an old brown dog? Right? So, the colored words in the above sentences are nouns. Maybe ये highlighted words हमने यहाँ पर देखे. Beautiful girl, yellow house, crying child, a skateboard, an old brown dog. ये सब ये हमारे noun phrases कहलाते हैं. Right? After that, the next thing that we have is the adjective phrase. Now let us discuss about these adjective phrases. So, group of words which describes a noun and does the work of an adjective called an adjective phrase. कि ऐसे verbs जो कि actually noun को describe करते हैं और काम करते हैं बिल्कुल एक adjective की तरह, उन्हें कहा जाता है adjective phrase. So, let us have a look on the sentences given below. यहाँ पर कुछ sentences दिए हुए हैं, जल्दी से इन्हें पढ़ते हैं. So, they are, these extremely pretty flowers are mine. The very delicious cake was made by my mom. The dog covered in mud is yours. Or, my mother is older than me. Right? Moving ahead. The food was tasty enough. Again, the colored words in the above sentences represent the adjective phrases. Maybe हमने colored words यहाँ पर पढ़े थे. Pretty, very delicious, covered in mud, older than me, and tasty enough. ये सभी adjective phrases. Right? The next thing that we have over here are the adverb phrases. Now, what are these adverb phrases? So, a group of words which modifies the verb and also reason out the same verbs is called adverb. तो ऐसा ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड जो कि मॉडिफाई करता हो एक वर्ब को और साथ ही एक रीजन भी देता हो सेम वर्ब के लिए, ये कहा जाता है एक एडवर्ब फ्रेज. राइट? तो लेट अस हैव अ लुक ऑन द एग्जांपल्स दैट आर गिवन बिलो. तो टाइम फ्लाइज वेरी क्विकली. Exercise is good for our health. I parked the car right here. Meet me at the mall this evening. He went online for more information. Right? The colored words in the above sentences represent the adverb phrase. तो यहाँ पर हमने जितने भी colored words पढ़े इन sentences में, they are actually the adverb phrases. Right? So, that was all about the chapter sentences, phrases and clauses. And I hope you all are clear with them as well as their kinds. So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it and gathered a lot of information from here. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.